All right, we picked up this vintage style go-kart out of the trash. It was going to make its way to the scrapyard and we were able to save it. The steering works. They would need springs for the pedals. All the wood replaced on the seat. Motor, missing a wheel sprocket. The drum brake, the band brake is still there. If you know what model this is, please leave a comment down below. Seems like a good little project for me and the kids. They're all fighting over what color they want it to be. I want it to be like bright orange or yellow. One wants to leave it gold. Another one wants it like Slimer green. What do you think? Also, should we go with a gas motor from like Harbor Freight, like a Predator? Or should we go all electric? If you got any comments, or if you converted a gas go-kart to electric, leave some comments down below. Any tips would be much appreciated. Subscribe if you want to be updated on the progress of this.